If you want to use Siri for hands-free help on your iPhone, in this video, I'll show you how to activate Siri and set up Hey Siri in just a few steps. First of all, open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Siri. After that, go into Talk to Siri and make sure one of these is selected. And also make sure press side button for Siri is toggled on. Then go back and make sure Allow Siri when locked is also toggled on. And if it's your first time enabling Hey Siri, your iPhone will ask you to train Siri to recognize your voice. Tap Continue, then say the phrases on screen like Hey Siri, what's the weather today? Or Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. Follow all the prompts to complete setup. Now, say Hey Siri followed by a question like what time is it or call mom. Siri should respond right away. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.